Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make garlic dill pickles. First, select crisp pickling cucumbers, fresh dill, and garlic cloves. You'll also need pickling salt and white vinegar. Ensure your canning jars and lids are completely clean and sterilized. This crucial step prevents spoilage and ensures your pickles are safe to enjoy. We'll then prepare a simple, flavorful brine. Now, let's pack those jars. Place a few cloves of peeled garlic and a generous sprig of fresh dill at the bottom of each jar. Then, carefully arrange your prepared cucumbers vertically, packing them as snugly as possible. Remember to leave approximately 1/2 inch of headspace from the rim of the jar. This space is important for proper sealing. With your cucumbers packed, it's time for the brine. Carefully pour the hot pickling brine over the cucumbers, ensuring they are fully submerged. Use a clean, non-metallic utensil to release any trapped air bubbles. Wipe the jar rims thoroughly to ensure a good seal. Then, place the lids and screw on the bands until they are fingertip tight. Finally, process your jars in a boiling water bath for about 10 minutes, adjusting for altitude if necessary. After processing, let the jars cool completely and check for a proper seal. For the best flavor, allow your garlic dill pickles to cure for at least 2 weeks before opening. Store them in a cool, dark pantry and enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.